Hi, my name is Frank Catania. I'm here with Circle BMW in Eatontown, New Jersey. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very easy and very cool option that's available with the comfort access on all BMWs. If you have a convertible, this will actually open and close the top for you without you even being in the car. Great feature. It's actually called the comfort access, and what the cool thing is, if you have the key to the car, all you have to do is press it and hold the unlock button like I'm demonstrating on this here X1. It'll drop all the windows, and once all the windows are dropped, the moonroof will then open. Cool thing with this is, if you're walking out to your car, you want to let out some of the hot air on these summer days, especially when you're going to the beach. It's a great way to cool down the car, especially if you have a lighter interior. When you're finished, all you have to do is just take your key or your hand and put it right onto the comfort access lock. And what that'll do is then trigger to shut the windows, shut the mirrors, and then also shut the moonroof. If you have a power moonroof, it'll also shut the shade as well. And when that's all finished, it's a great way to lock up the car and make sure everything's shut.